We appreciate you staying with us as we continue to follow the latest ruling from the Supreme Court to overturn Roe v. Wade. We know there's a lot to unpack from today's events.
So let's talk about this afternoon with Associate Professor with the University of California, San Francisco. It's Ushma Upadhyay. And Dr. Upadhyay, thank you very much for being here. What does this decision mean for women who live here in Wisconsin and want to get an abortion?
Well, thanks for having me. For people who are living in a state where abortion is banned, they will have three options. The first option is to travel out of state. And we know that this can be an insurmountable barrier for so many people. It requires taking multiple days off of work, sometimes for a long trip, arranging for childcare, since we know that most people seeking an abortion are already parents themselves. And then it means gathering up the funding to make that trip and to also pay for the abortion procedure. And this can be insurmountable for so many people. The second option is that they may try to attempt to find abortion pills online through agencies like Aid Access. And these are the same abortion pills that are available, FDA approved and available in protected access states, other states. However, that option opens them up to legal risks. And we know that people of color, marginalized people, are more often susceptible to those criminal risks.
Right, and that's our next question, actually, Dr. Upadhyay. As a public health social scientist, what do you think with your research this will have an effect on our most vulnerable female populations, particularly in Wisconsin?
We are working with scientists across the country, including some at University of Wisconsin as well, to monitor where and how people are obtaining abortion care across the country. So we're going to document numbers of abortion patients at all of the clinics across the United States and try to understand where people in Wisconsin are traveling to obtain that abortion care.
So when you look at all the people that you talked about and the different things that are happening, who will be impacted most by this decision?
Well, our research finds that people already face tremendous challenges to traveling for abortion. We're concerned about people who are trying to make ends meet on low incomes. We're concerned about people with disabilities who don't have the same mobility. Adolescents and incarcerated people as well will no longer have this option to be able to travel out of state.
All right, Dr. Upadhyay, we appreciate you joining us to talk about this very important topic at 4. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
All right.